Good morning, everybody. It's almost 11 a.m. here in Guelph, Ontario, Canada. My name is Stephen Nicole. Welcome to Daily Quiz number 42. And I just had a good blood result again today. Hemoglobin's going up to 94 from 88 last week. They were commenting on how well I looked. And that's great. Now, if I get rid of this bad back and some warm weather comes, I'll be all set. Now, let's get to the quizzes. Yesterday's question, the beer question. What is a Bock beer? B-O-C-K. Bock beer started off in a town called Einbeck in Germany, in the Hanseatic area of Germany. And Germany was quite a powerful nation at the time. So the Bock beer spread everywhere. And what it is, it's a beer that's bottom fermented. It's a lager, right? And a lot of malt is added to it, which gives this sweet, luscious taste to the beer. Now they do add hops to it to offset the sweetness, so there's, it's not too sweet. And generally this beer is about 6 to 7% alcohol by volume. And Bock, how the name originated, was in fact named after a goat. Bock in German is goat. And if you notice a Bock beer, usually there's a picture of a goat on the label as well. And it's usually brewed in around Christmas time and sold in around Easter time as a traditional beer. And it's spread throughout Europe at the time, and we make different Bocks, in Switzerland and Canada, US, certain times of the year. I remember picking up a Carlsberg Bock here in Canada. And it's a light brown, amber hued, going to dark colored beer. It's a off brown head to it. And it's quite tasty. Like I said, it has this sweet taste to it, like caramel flavored. Caramel on the nose. And you actually make this beer with much more alcohol if you like. Some of them go up to 12%. There's a particular beer called an Eisbock. And what they do is they freeze the beer. In fact, it's only the water that's frozen. But they remove the water. They remove the water portion, the ice portion, from the beer and bottle it. So it's a little bit higher alcohol, you can imagine. Eisbock. And all these towns, all this beer, Bock beer, originated in Einbeck, Germany. And thus the word Bock, if it's not a goat, it was sort of a little bit of a version of the town it came from. And Einbeck, Germany, was like the center of brewmaking back in the 14th, 15th century. Even the Munich beers copied how they made their beer. Very popular beer. So that's what a Bock beer is. Heavy on the malt, light on the hops. In fact, Einbeck, Germany was one of the first areas where there were actually hops used in beer, if you can imagine, which made that beer much even more popular throughout Europe. So like I said, the Germans were strong, the Hanseatic tribes and all that stuff. They controlled a lot of Europe at that time. So the beer got all over the place. Okay, I'm not going to go any further on Bock beer, but that gives you an idea what it is. It's heavily alcohol, high on the malt, sweet taste, caramel on the nose, and a darker colored beer with some hops added to it to offset the luscious sweetness you get from the beer. You don't want the beer to be too sweet. You need some bitterness to it as well. All right, today's quiz. Today's quiz. We're going to go with wine in this day. What is the term riddling in winemaking? Riddling. All right, that's the question of the day. What is riddling a bottle? Okay? All right, hope you all have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.